Welcome back, everyone. Everything is changing. The way we live, the way we work, the way we do business. And we are now living in a creator economy where attention is one of the most valuable things you can have. And right now, there are 20-year-olds using this creator economy to make more money than doctors and lawyers with 0 degrees, 0 experience, and 0 qualifications. If you clicked on this video, it's because you want to start an online business so you can make money and experience freedom. So lock in, because I'm about to show you exactly how you can start with 0 capital and get results like this, all while working from anywhere in the world. My name is Jackie Holmes. I've been exactly where you are right now, trying every online business model, SMMA, dropshipping, Amazon FBA, and failing over and over. But then I found a system that allowed me to generate $6,000 in a single day. And I'm going to show you how it works step by step. Most people start with SMMA or dropshipping, and yes, those work. But as a beginner, it's like playing a video game on impossible mode and trying to beat the final boss with no practice. You spend months learning, burn money on ads, and eventually quit. So let's look at what actually makes a business model beginner friendly. There are 6 criteria. 1, how much money you make per sale. 2, how much money it takes to start. 3, your profit margins. Number 4, how much demand there is. 5, how hard it is to fulfill. And 6, whether the deal is recurring or one-off. Dropshipping and FBA fail on profit margins and startup costs. SMMA fails on fulfillment because you basically become a slave to your clients. But there's one model that checks all 6 boxes. This model is 100% remote, costs nothing to start, has 60 to 100% profit margins, lets you make $500 to $5,000 per transaction, and can be scaled to $5,000 to $20,000 a week within months. And the best part, you don't need to start a business, fulfill any orders, do cold outreach or spam DMs, or handle refunds or deal with angry clients. You simply connect customers with a business and take a commission. It's the same principle that makes Uber, who owns no cars, and Expedia, who owns no hotels, so powerful. The leverage is in connecting people to the solution, not in delivering it yourself. Now, here's how it works. It's a simple 4-step process. Step number 1. You must find the product. Pick a niche you care about. I recommend wealth, health, relationships, tech, or travel. Then find a high-ticket product, preferably $1,000 and above per sale, on platforms like Digistore24 or ClickBank, or through a vetted program. Step number 2. You must create. Build a personal brand. Start posting 3 short-form videos per day across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Your content should mix lifestyle clips, which will go at the top of your funnel, mindset and money content, which goes in the middle of your funnel, and education about your offer, which is at the bottom of your funnel. Step number 3, convert. Use a simple funnel. Even just a link tree with your affiliate link works. You can just leave it in your bio. And when people click, they book a call with a professional high-ticket closer who does the selling for you. You don't do any of the sales if you don't want to, or you can set the calls yourself. Step number 4 is you just receive the commissions. Collect your commissions, because most programs pay 30 to 80%. So even 2 $6,000 sales a week would make you $3,600 a week, or over $150,000 a year. This exact 4-step process is what I use to generate over $30,000 per month. Now, you have 2 options. 1, take this information and figure it out yourself, which could take months, maybe years, and cost you thousands in missed income. Or, number 2, shortcut the process, join a proven academy, get mentored, learn exactly how to pick the right product, create content that converts, and close deals so you can make your first $10,000 online in record time. If you're ready to take advantage of the greatest opportunity of this generation and build a 6-figure income online, click the link down below, book a call with the team, and let's get you started. Reach out to me on Instagram if you are serious. Send me a message there and I'll see if I can help you out. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next video.